were starting my investment journey in 2026 from scratch, I wouldn't touch real estate first. And that might surprise you. Because the smartest investors in 2026 are not asking what to invest in, they are asking when and in what order. You have probably seen videos talking about investment, the best investment in 2026, like crypto, stocks, businesses, even skills courses. And honestly, most of them are not wrong. But here is the thing, most people miss the bigger picture. They forget that the sequence matters. In this video, I want to show you the exact order I would follow if I were starting from scratch in 2026 and where real estate actually fits, especially for Nigerians or diaspora Nigerians who want to build wealth safely. Here is the problem I see all the time. People treat real estate like a shortcut, but it is not a shortcut. It is a phase. If you enter it at the wrong time, it doesn't build wealth, it builds stress. Let me break down the exact order I would follow using my phase investment map for 2026. Phase 1 is foundation. Here, I focus on stable income, emergency savings, skills that grow earning power. If your income is shaky, real estate will feel heavy. It punishes inconsistency. In my personal plan, I would stabilize cash flow before thinking about real estate. Phase 2, growth. This is where I will invest in stocks, businesses, side hustles, learning opportunities that stretch me. Growth investment that meant to teach speed, decision making, and risk management. Real estate at this stage is usually too slow and rigid. Phase 3, preservation, where real estate fits. Now we get to phase 3, preservation. This is where I would include real estate. Real estate is not about chasing quick money. It is about protecting money and building long-term wealth. I would focus on stable income generating properties, safe, verified title, investments that don't require constant supervision. Now, I know some of you are thinking, so does this mean real estate is only for the rich people? Do I need huge money to start? The answer is no. Real estate is not about how big your money is. It is about how stable your money is. Some people with 10 million, 20 million are more ready for real estate than people with 100 million. Why? Because they have predictable income, clear plan, patience. Meanwhile, someone with more money but chaotic finances will struggle even with large capital. Real estate punishes unstable starters. It rewards those who commit, even if the investment is small. Commit to a payment plan, commit to waiting, and commit to proper documentation. That is all it takes to start smart. I wouldn't rush into real estate if I didn't have emergency savings, stable income, patience to wait, no pressure to make quick returns. Real estate rewards patience. It punishes desperation. If you have steady income, think long term, want peace more than hype, and are ready to preserve what you have built, then real estate belongs in your investment plan. Yes. The real question isn't what to invest in first. It is whether you are ready to follow the right sequence to build wealth in 2026. If you want me to break down the exact signs that you are ready for real estate, comment below. And if this video helped you to think differently about investing, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.